Hey guys, welcome to Simple Weight Loss. I am Brandon and I lost over 84 pounds in the past year. And I didn't do it from tracking calories, I didn't do it from counting macros, but what I did do was I implemented a simple system based on the minimum effective dose. You see, I don't like making things complicated. I like keeping it simple, super simple. And the way we do that is we focus on high return on investment activities, low barrier to entry. You see, I didn't like the idea of having to choose between eating my cake and having it, right? We've all heard that before. But in all seriousness, I've got two young daughters. I've got a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. And I didn't like trying to lose weight while telling them, no, daddy can't eat your cookies. And so what I did was I implemented an additive solution, not a subtractive solution. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, step inside, learn the process, walk alongside others on the same journey as you, and somebody who's actually gone through the steps themselves. Remember, 84 pounds down in the last year, and we've kept it off. Because what's the point of getting there if you're just gonna bounce back? So if that sounds good to you, click join the community, come inside, introduce yourself, and I will see you on the inside.